Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about maps in Kotlin. A map is a collection that represents a set of key value pairs where each key is associated with a corresponding value. Maps are used to store and retrieve data based on a unique key. Kotlin provides both mutable and immutable map collections. A map is a collection of key value pairs where each key is unique. Maps are often used to associate values with specific identifiers or keys, and in Kotlin, you can use maps to model associations, configurations, or any data structure that requires key-based access. In this video, we'll start with the immutable maps. In the next video, we'll learn about mutable maps. Immutable maps are read-only and can't be modified once they are created. They ensure that the data remains constant and elements cannot be added, removed, or updated after initialization. Immutable maps are created using the map of or map of not null functions. I'll start creating my first map, fruits equals to map of, and here I need to use key value pairs. Apple to 5, banana to 8, cherry to 12. In this example, fruits is an immutable map with keys apple, banana, cherry associated with their respective values 5, 8, and 12. You can access values in an immutable map by providing the key, and you can iterate over the map's entities. However, you can't add, remove, or modify key value pairs in an immutable map. For example, val quantity of banana equals to fruits. Give me the key, I'll give you the value. Give me the key, I'll give you the value. Here, banana, I specified the key. I need to get the quantity of bananas, which is 8, printing. Run, and here we go. It's 8. So give me the key, I'll give you the value. Here I'm mapping the key banana to the value 8. Immutable maps are very useful when you need to ensure that a set of key value associations remains constant throughout your program's execution. If you need to modify a map, you should use a mutable map created with functions like mutable map of, and this is what we're going to learn in the next video.